We're getting ready for the Easter egg hunt. The Easter bunny came this morning and left a trail for Cohen. Do you want me to hold it for you? Here, home. No, I'll hold this.
Do you see some stuff somewhere?
Oh my gosh. Yeah, get the eggs.
You can put them in your basket.
Put them in your basket.
First I'll stop and have a pretzel. Because that's what I do. Do you hear the water filling up in the ice tray?
Yeah.
Is Pocky making the sound?
I think we need to go find the Easter eggs, Cohen.
59 in the shade.
Cool. Do you want to put it in your basket and then we'll take them upstairs?
Let's find all the eggs. Let's find all the Easter eggs that the Easter bunny left for you.
It's upstairs.
Yeah, there's a whole bunch. Put it in your basket.
Take it in this basket.
Another one. Orange one.
Those were hidden so
What?
good. You're such a
Pink
good
one.
finder.
Grandpa's a
I
smarty
would have
pants.
pulled up the carpeting myself.
You got more.
Those years will come.
Come on.
Can you find all of them? Cohen.
Here, look.
Papa.
Blue one. That's the first blue one.
And then more. It's more. More.
Whoa.
Do you see any more? Look around.
Look around. It's more.
You got the pink one.
Look around a little bit more.
It's a bit more. Look up. Look up.
Oh.
Do you want me to
That
hold your
was
pretzel for
cheeky.
you? Okay, I'll hold this one for you. Let's put it in your pocket. When you decide you want it, you can have it.
Perfect.
Put the eggs in the basket. Not those ones. Those ones are just for decoration.
Those are already there.
Mommy put those there, not the Easter bunny. Look around.
Ooh, 2 hands. You're the man. Those rattle different, huh? I bet they don't have M&Ms in them.
Do you see more?
There's more.
An orange one.
That's a funny one.
I see 2. A pink one and a blue one. Look around.
It's up here. It's up here.
It's up there.
That's
There's
easier to
more.
take.
Yeah.
So we can,
It would-
so it doesn't flare in the big one.
The sugar.
Yeah. You find a big one. Oh, you found another one.
Oh my gosh.
Hide.
Wow.
Hide.
You might have to empty out your basket, my friend.
Getting full, huh?
Right here.
There's another one.
And a big one.
Another
A
one.
pink one. Should we dump them all out on the chair and then we can get the rest?
He's got to take a break for a minute.
Does that mean he's pooping?
Yep. Are you high, Ben? Should we come back later?